In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create absolute and relative cell references in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get your worksheet ready. In Excel, cell references tell the program which cells to use in a formula. This is important because formulas can either adjust when you copy them or stay locked to one specific cell, depending on what you need. That's where relative and absolute references come in. A relative reference changes automatically when you copy a formula to another cell. An absolute reference stays fixed, even when the formula is copied elsewhere. Understanding the difference helps you build formulas faster and avoid mistakes. To follow along, set up some sample data in your worksheet. In column A, list your products, and in column B, list their prices. Then enter the tax rate, 10%, in cell C2. In this example, the products and prices are placed in cells A2 through B4, and the tax rate is stored in C2. Let's start with a relative cell reference, which is the recommended method when you want the formula to adjust automatically as you copy it down a column. Click cell D2 and enter the formula equals B2 plus C2. Then press Enter. This type of formula uses relative references because both cell addresses can change based on where the formula is copied. Now drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to the cells below. As Excel copies the formula, it updates the row numbers automatically. So the formula in the next row changes from B2 plus C2 to B3 plus C3, and then to B4 plus C4. This is useful when every row should calculate using values from that same row. Next, let's look at an absolute cell reference. Use this when your formula should always point to the same cell, such as a tax rate, exchange rate, or commission percentage. Click cell D2 and enter the formula equals B2 times open parenthesis 1 plus $, C $, 2 close parenthesis. Then press Enter and drag the fill handle down. In this formula, B2 is still relative, so it changes as the formula moves down the sheet. But C2 is absolute because of the $signs, so it remains fixed as C2 every time. That means each product price uses the same tax rate from that one cell. As a shortcut, after selecting C2 in the formula, you can press F4 to automatically convert it to $C $2. This is a quick and helpful way to lock a reference without typing the $signs manually. Once you understand when to use relative and absolute references, working with formulas in Excel becomes much easier and more efficient.